Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some no cook, no fail, foolproof, creamy 2-ingredient fudge. So let's get started. To make this easy fudge, start with equal amounts of peanut butter and chocolate chips, and then microwave on medium until it has melted. And I'm going to chop up some chocolate chips to sprinkle on the top. And I lined a loaf pan with some parchment paper. And I'm going to pour in my mixture. And I'm going to just swirl a bit more peanut butter. And sprinkle my chocolate over the top. And I'm going to refrigerate until it's set. Okay, my fudge has set up, so now I'm just going to run a knife down both sides. And lift it out. And there you go, some very easy, creamy peanut butter, no cook, no fail fudge.